On this video, we're gonna go ahead and go through all the amazing tips and tricks that there is to know about the latest generation iPhone that's running the latest version of iOS 14. So without further ado, let's do this all in 200 seconds or less, which is equivalent to 3 minutes and 20 seconds. So start the timer and let's get started. To change the default web browser, simply just go into your settings, scroll down until you find the web browser of choice, tap on the app, and just select default web browser. Now whenever you tap on a link, it will take you to that one. You can also do the exact same thing with a default email. Whenever you download an application, if you don't want it to show up on your home screen, just go into your settings, go into home screen, and select app library only. Next time when you download a new application, it'll be located right here. If you want to, you could click and drag it to the main page. And then if you don't want some of these apps on your home page, you can also delete them and select this option, which means the application will still be installed, it just won't appear on your home page. It'll be over here in your app library, which you can always just search on top. If there's a home page that you want to hide, go into wiggle mode, tap the little bottom dot icons, and uncheck the home page that you want to hide from your home page, and there you go. That home page is now hidden. To re-enable it, just do the exact same thing, but reverse. If you ever find these annoying, well, somewhat very fun and addicting mobile games on social media platforms, you know, those ads, well, if you've noticed they're bombarded with a bunch of ads, this can be very annoying. Quick, easy way to eliminate ads on some of these games is just put your device in airplane mode, and now you can actually play your game without being bombarded with ads. Widgets was something new that Apple added. If you put your device in wiggle mode, tap the little plus icon. Here, you not only will find some widget examples that they have, but there's also support for some of these third-party ones now. And in addition to that, if you add one to the home page, you can actually stack them up as well. If you use FaceTime a lot, a cool feature is if you go into your settings, go into the FaceTime tab, scroll down to where you see eye contact. With eye contact enabled, whenever you're FaceTiming somebody, it makes it so that your pupils are always making contact with the person you're looking at and talking to. It's really trippy, but it actually works extremely well, and it doesn't look creepy at all. Now, picture-in-picture was new this year for iPhones, well, last year, but from the previous massive firmware update. And sometimes it's awesome, but sometimes it can be annoying, especially when you're playing a video and you just slide to go into your home page and the video is still playing. You could disable this so it doesn't automatically do this. If you go into your settings and just literally just type in picture-in-picture, you'll see the option right here to disable that automatic. This way, next time when you're viewing a video, you manually press it to enable that feature, like so. And if you're using an iPhone Pro 12 Pro, definitely should take advantage of the RAW format that the iPhone now has by just going into the settings, go into your camera setting, tap on format, and just tap on Apple Pro RAW. Captures more data, allows you to edit more, and make your photo look sharper. And there you go. That is the most useful tips and tricks that there is to know about the latest generation iPhone on the latest version of iOS 14. If you enjoyed this 200 seconds or less tips and tricks videos, make sure to go ahead and watch this, as that is the previous one that we recently uploaded. And then that video over there, that's just a video YouTube is recommending specifically for you. Thanks so much for watching, take care, and I will catch you all in the next one. See ya.